How to delete watched history on Facebook. I will show you how to delete watched history on Facebook in this tutorial. The first step is to open the Facebook mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see different posts that have been shared. Next, tap on the menu option that appears at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the menu section of your Facebook account as you can see here. Once you are here, scroll down, continue scrolling down to the bottom of the screen. After that, make sure you have this option named Settings and Privacy. As you can see, the section expands to reveal more options. From those options, the one we need is this one here named Settings. This is the settings page of Facebook where you can manage and make changes to the settings of the app. From there, make sure you scroll down through the different options that are here. Keep scrolling until you come to this section named Your Activity. Under the section, there are more options. From those options, make sure you tap this one named Activity Log. You land on this page where you will see your Facebook activity, including all the posts you have liked, the videos you have watched, and many other activities. So, go to the top menu here and scroll through it to the left, just like you can see me doing here. From the options that appear here, make sure you tap this one here named Videos Watched. After that, you will land on this page where you will see all the videos you have watched, just like you can see here. Finally, to delete your watch history, all you have to do is tap this option here. A pop-up asking you to confirm your action will appear. So, go ahead and tap here to confirm it. The watch history will then be deleted. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to delete watched history on Facebook.